ETFs, Exchange-Traded Funds. Intro. Exchange-Traded Funds, or ETFs, are an easy way to begin investing. ETFs are fairly simple to understand and can generate impressive returns without much expense or effort. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to talk about ETFs. How do they work and how to buy them, and everything you need to know as a beginner. And before we do that, if you like our content on stocks, ETFs, and everything else, then a like would be much appreciated. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So basically, ETFs are investment funds that track the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500. Just like stocks, you can trade ETFs on a stock exchange at any point during market hours, potentially lowering your risk and exposure while helping to diversify your portfolio. Think of ETFs as buckets that hold a collection of securities, like stocks and bonds. Because ETFs are made up of these multiple assets, they provide investors instant diversification. When an investor purchases a share of an ETF, their money is spread across different investments. This differs from stocks, where you buy shares of just a single company. ETFs typically mimic a market index like the S&P 500. Since ETF performance is usually based on an index, meaning they follow the ups and downs of said index, most are passively managed investments and thus likely have lower fees. Similar to stocks, ETFs can be bought and sold on an exchange throughout the day, and investors can even earn dividends depending on the type of index the fund tracks. Tax efficiency. ETFs may be more tax efficient than some traditional mutual funds. A mutual fund manager may trade stocks to satisfy investor redemptions or to pursue the fund's objectives. Selling shares may create taxable gains for the fund's shareholders. Because ETFs are like stocks, redemptions aren't an issue. In addition, managers of index-based ETFs only make trades to match changes in their index, which may mean greater tax efficiency. Now, you might be wondering, is it good to invest in ETFs? Well, since ETFs offer built-in diversification and don't require large amounts of capital in order to invest in a range of stocks, they are a good way to get started. You can trade them like stocks while also enjoying a diversified portfolio. How to actually invest in ETFs? It's easy. First, you'll need to set up an online account through a broker or trading platform. After funding the account, you can purchase ETFs using their ticker symbol and indicating how many shares you want. Final words. You don't have to be so hands-on in order to invest with ETFs, and investing in them is an easy way to get started in the market. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.